So guys, today's question is write a program to access a function inside a function and declare a function inside another function and return a value inner function. So it means we have to create a function and then we have to declare another function inside a function and then we have to return that function. Inner function, we have to return the inner function. So how can we do that? Let's do that in a Python. So first of all, we have to declare a function. Let's suppose our function 1 and this is our function, and we are taking text as a parameter here. Fine. So now let's use text as we are going to use this variable to store this value. And now let's declare another function which is inner function, that is function 2. Fine, and use the colon here. Now let's print the value, the parameter of the function 1. So here let's print this function here, and now guys we are going to return this function as a value. So we are going to return this function inner function because the question asking us to return the inner function. So let's return this function. So function 2. Fine. So we are returning function as a value. Understood? Now let's go to the driver code. We are going to call this function function 1, which is the outer function. So let's do that. So if now suppose this is our function, I'm going to call our function outer function here, which is function 1, and let's print I love programming. So I'm going to give input as a parameter in function 1, which is the outer function here, and let's see we are passing the string here into the outer function, which is function 1, and let's see if it can return the string here through the inner function. So we are returning the inner function here. So we are going to return our parameter or our string through the inner function. So let's see if it does or not. So let's now let's call this function here. So yeah, once we're done with this, so yeah, now let's see if this code works or not. Go to Python here and type Python, and as you can see, I love programming. So what we are doing actually here, we are passing a string from outer function to the inner function, and then we are returning the inner function here. That is asking in the question. That is what it is asking in the question. So we have to return a value as a inner function. Understood? And if you have any question, you can ask in comment section. See you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.